Hello everybody, this will either be part 2 or 3, haven't decided yet, since I had to do that repair, replacing that wire and capacitor on the 2021 Carrier 3.5 ton this year, and then did the cleanup, and then now the third part, depending on how long the video is, 2 or 3. Let's go ahead and power it up. I've got the power reconnected at the disconnect. I'll get the GoPro and do the thermostat cam, and then we'll grab this camera and bring it in and do the temperature check on my Radio Shack thermometer that's attached to the homemade clock. Well, here goes nothing. Hopefully nothing blows up. I'll put the mics down by the compressor as I did last year. Seemed to do pretty good. Before I power up the system, let's go ahead and swap out the filter. See how we did over winter. Wasn't a real cold winter, so the heat didn't run that much. That thing's barely dirty, but I'm going to go ahead and swap it out. There's a brand new one for comparison on color. And that one was put in 11/4 of 25. Done. Guess we're about ready to power this system up for 2026. Alright, filter change. And of course, that doesn't want it right. For 1526. So that next one will be sometime in the summertime. Alright, here at the thermostat cam. Got the window open so I can listen to what's going on. We are currently off. There's heat and cool. Turn on. Well, it turned on, so we'll see if it starts making cold. Go check the temperature out inside. Well, looks like we're starting to make cold. So I'll put that on the time lapse. See what it does. Alright, here's what we're looking at. It's 54.5 degrees output, now 54.4, and the room temperature is 76 in this room. Let's see what the thermostat says. And it is quite humid today, so it's fighting the humidity as well. but it is working hard and getting the humidity down just a little bit. I guess I can turn that on and see what the humidity is. See, we're up there a little bit on the humidity. I should have turned that on when I first started, but I didn't think about it. So we got a 1 degree discrepancy between these two, but 62% on the humidity seems about right. And of course the thermostat is showing 73, so temperatures are just all over the place. So I guess I can go ahead and shut this off and get a shutdown sound outside. Got some sweat there, nice and cold. This one is not doing anything. Maybe slightly above ambient. It's fairly warm. Well, let's get a shutdown sound. First start of the 2021 Carrier AC for 2026. Thank you for watching.